editor. Tell him that I'm a good editor.
Alright, make an edit of LeBron doing 43 jump shots.
I bet.
Wait, what is it, like a TikTok account?
Yo, open the door.
No,
Bro,
it's
why
for
is Mama
YouTube.
Coco so fast?
Yo, where is Mama Coco? I thought Mama Coco was like 43 years old.
Mama
How is she
Coco
so
go fast.
Mama
Yeah, she's
Coco.
faster than me. She's faster than me because I'm a
Mama Coco
retired
faster
Braille
than
tag
me.
player.
Hey,
Mama Coco.
No, Mama Coco. His name is Jeff.
His name is... Oh, Jeff. That is Jeff. I'm a retired...
Made
No,
this
he's over here.
really. Jeff made this.
I need a fart like bad.
Made the I got that on video.
No, you didn't.
I'm leaving that on. I'm leaving it on the video. I didn't think you wanted to be controlled.
It's coming.
I just farted.
Bro.
It was a wet one. What? I'm just kidding.
Oh, look, there's someone right here. Hey, can you lead us to the monster? Can you lead us to the monster?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, I bet. I don't know where you went.
I'm just gonna go
What
find
the-
him real fast, okay?
Okay. Wait, where'd he go? Well, where do we go?
Yo,
This
Franco, wait, hold up. William.
He's on the other side.
This way.
Go straight. Come here. No, this way.
way. Okay, over here. Franco.
He's on the other
Hold
side
up.
of the map. So, this way.
Hold on, wait for my friend. He's kind of like lagging. Man, y'all are bumble club bitches. Dude, William's on call. Should we add him or no?
Yeah, just add him.
Do we?
Yeah, just add him.
I think his headset died.
May the
Someone's
spirit
headset just
control
died.
you.
Yo, I'm not.
Let's go, guys.
He's calling
This
me.
way?
I'm gonna accept it.
No, wait, Adam, just add him.
Okay.
Tell him we're in the middle of
Hold up.
Adam, hurry up. He's coming.
Yeah, just go this
Wait.
way. Actually.
Alright, hold on.
How do you add? Oh wait.
Bam. Bada bang.
May the spirit control you. May the spirit control you. May the spirit control you. Kadabra, kadabra, You added him?
Yeah, he's right here.
Alright, come on. Alright, tell
May
him.
the
we're just
spirit
gonna tell him,
control
alright.
you.
Yo, we're in the middle of a clip
Yo.
for my channel. He's behind you. We're,
I don't think you want to be controlled by a spirit, guys.
It did.
we're recording a video for Penguin.
Oh, William.
May the spirit control
I asked what's his name, Angel, if he wants to be part of our group.
May the spirit control you.
I don't want to touch that. I don't want to touch that.
May the spirit control you.
glitching out. Not true. Oh, yeah, you can't get me. You can't get me.
Everybody shut up. May the spirit
Yeah, you
control
can't get me. Shut up.
What are you gonna be?
Wait, hold on.
Monkey?
you. Shut up, ugly.
No, you're something ugly.
Sure. Rico, where'd you go?
May the spirit control you.
Down the hall.
Oh, scared me.
Dude,
Oh yeah. Wait, do you have Skelly?
You can't get me.
Oh,
Wait,
I
set.
didn't know.
It's in the other side.
You don't have. Bro, it's.
It's in the other side. Come to you.
Wait, then Franco, what are we gonna name our joint channel as? 'Cause I'm not gonna be on
Yo, may the spirit come to you.
Uh,
May the spirit come to you.
Dwindo. No.
Dino Penguins.
Dino Penguin.
Dino Penguin.
Huh?
Yeah, we're doing a duo channel. Dino
Two.
Penguin.
I'm gonna have like 4 different accounts.
Oh, Franco. Everybody come to me.
closing the door.
Franco,
Yeah.
wait.
Yeah.
Chill on the
Yeah,
door.
buddy.
Chill on the door.
Chill with the door.
Chill with the door.
What are you in?
Stop trolling.
Oh.
Stop trolling. That monster's gonna come and kill you. That monster's gonna-
Hey, can y'all hear what I
It's
said? That I
we're in a public.
Can y'all do the loudest burp?
Hey, Angel,
No.
go on, download Skelly.
Now we hopping on a different game now. We
Make
hopping
the
on to
spirit
Can y'all
come
do
to
the loudest
you.
burp?
Make
Yeah.
the
Do the
spirit
loudest burp. Do the
come
loudest
to
burp. Do the
you.
loudest
Make the
burp.
spirit banish
How about you? Do the loudest burp.
Vince.
Do the loudest burp.
Angel.
Make the spirit come back. Make the spirit come back.
God.
We should have like a code.
May the spirit
Hold up.
not come
Oh.
back. May the spirit not Well, I know your candy cane.
Where are the? You want it, Angel? Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video. Where does time go?
It's just over here.
The spirit